Are we live? Yes. Alright. Alright. I started 3 minutes earlier, but I don't care. Sue me. Alright, so I'm gonna have a sip. And yes, I am satisfied with the quality of the stream, if I do say so myself. Alright, I'm gonna bring this up. And let's go. I haven't played this game in years. I think I only played this when it came out. And I finished it and I never looked back. I was gonna play it on the PlayStation 4. I was in the mood to play it on the PlayStation 4 for the very first time, and I think the disc is damaged or something. Anyway. Maybe I'm gonna start from scratch. No. Episode select. I'm gonna go with normal. Alright, let's start from here. Exit will be yeah, whatever. Right. What's the special settings? Costumes. I like that one. It's either a Moira or a worn out Moira. Let's use the more worn out. Very classic. Natalia. Nothing. Screen effects, if you would like a filter. This is normal. It's only normal. Alright. Fair enough. Skill setting, I think I got everything. Yep. Yep. Nice. Episode select. Normal. Override, yes. Because that's how I roll these days. Alright, let's go. Bioterror. I like how it starts the cutscene. Bioterror. Fear of the night. Fear of not night? What? Who's Franz Kafka? He keeps saying stupid quotes.
Bioterror. The world lives with it. You live with it. Viruses are stolen, re-engineered, misused with tragic results. And who are you supposed to trust? Politicians who sell their souls for a few votes? CEOs who betray consumers for a quick buck? Count on us instead. We're above the politics, always watching, always ready to face the threat head on. We are the unflinching mop that sops up the evils of bioterrorism and chemical warfare. They call us Terra Save. Because tear doesn't have to end with a wrist.
Hey guys.
How'd it feel?
Oh, hi, Claire.
Hey! Hey, Claire!
Moira. Welcome to the club.
Reporting for duty, Ms. Redfield. When do the hazing start?
Cut it out. We've been friends for how long?
Long enough that I'm allowed to give you shit.
Psst. Claire, could you,
What's up, Neil?
Something's going down in Washington. Did you hear anything?
What, the new virus? Come on. You know Tricella's history, right? Hello?
Hey, that Barry Burton's girl?
Yep. Moira started today. But you've got to be careful if you're going to mention
Her and her dad? Oh yeah, emotional minefield.
Okay. You did your homework. What other horrible invasions of privacy have you gotten there?
Hey, I gotta look out for TerraSafe. We have our enemies. Anyway, good luck breaking her in.
She's not a horse. Bye. Uh-oh. What'd he do this time?
Fucking Barry. Every time I ask him anything, he pushes back. I wouldn't even be here if I listened.
You're coming with us.
No! There must be some kind of...
Hi, welcome Jazzy, and hello McKnight, and hello Kurt! Welcome. I like to stay quiet and do the cutscenes, sorry about that. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm about to shut up again, because there's more cutscene. Sweet Claire Booty Redfield. I know, right? You're gonna love the outfit that I picked for her. You know, I took her shopping. Shh, shh, shh.
Why did it open? I didn't do anything.
Kurt, I'm gonna give you some pro tip, alright? I'm gonna give you some pro tip. I'm not mad or anything, but do not go on someone YouTube's channel. I know that you don't mean to subgrub, but if you go on someone's YouTube channel and you say that, I have a YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel, people are gonna kick you out of their chat. Don't do that. I'm saying it as some friendly advice. I know you personally, so... But people are not gonna appreciate that if you do that. Just so we're clear. I'm gonna remove your comment because if a mod comes in and he doesn't know who you are, they're gonna kick you out. They're gonna block you. So I'm gonna remove your comment, okay? Because if a mod comes in, they're gonna kick you out. Because it's basic etiquette. You don't walk into someone else's stream and ask for subs. It's just how it is. But I will check out your channel. Let's see what I have. So, I think I should have... Hey, Julian! There we go. I have this. This is infinite ammo. You know what? I'm gonna upgrade. I should... So what do I have here? I have a... Chicago typewriter. I'm not gonna use the Chicago... because it consumes so much ammo. Handgun. Alright, maybe I'll remove the handgun. When will I play Obscure? Very soon. Samuka! There you are. Thank God I'm not a mod, you see? When will I play Obscure? Very soon, Jazzy. Very, very soon. I'm gonna try to determine which ammo to use. I'm gonna remove this. So, what do I do? How do I replace the gun? I don't know. Ah, switch. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna be using the crossbow. The bow gun, whatever. Danica! Welcome! So, alright, so, if you use an X weapon, I know, shut up, I'm gonna take it out right now, actually. Where is it? Where's the gun? I cannot use the gun for now, because we're still in the beginning of the game. Now we're running. Philly! All the awesome people are showing up. All the awesome people are showing up. I haven't played this game in ages, so if I look noobish, it's because I am.
Oh my god, Claire!
Moira, are you okay? Did they hurt you?
Claire! Oh, I remember. Hey, take it easy. I mean, what in a moist barrel of fuck is... I just want to go home.
It's okay. We're gonna get out of here.
It's okay. No, it's not gonna. It's gonna be soon, but
None of this makes any sense.
not like soon this
What did
week
we
or next
do?
week. Because first I need to.
Wish I could tell you.
Oh yeah, there we go. We have the ammo. Not the ammo, the gun. Is this the crossbow? No, I'm not gonna use that. Quite slow. Anyway, so yeah, this week is gonna be all about Crash Bandicoot for sure. I can't wait. But yeah, I will do it every Friday for sure. When I start, I just need to get a better webcam. I just need to get a better webcam. The one I have, the one I was using last Friday. It's not as good as I want it to be, so.
This is so messed up. What do you think this place was?
Yeah, me too, Jazzy. I can't wait. There was people streaming it already. I'm like, oh, I want my copy. But then all their streams got deleted and stuff, so I don't feel that bad now. Atari has some great graphics. Didn't know it had Ari. Why are you calling it Atari, Philly? Don't you mock. Don't you mock. The graphics. I was gonna play this on the PlayStation 4 until the disc pooped out apparently. Something's wrong with the disc of the game. I don't know. That's what you get for getting second-hand games. Never again.
Did you hear that?
Is there someone else in here? Oh my god. What the fuck?
She has such a foul mouth, Moira. Oh, whatever. Thank you. Thank you so much for the donation, Danica. Oh man, it never fails to scare me. It never fails to make me jump. That's why I'm gonna start doing that with the camera, and the Pika is gonna change. It's definitely gonna change into a scary, like, something like that. A jump scare for sure. So you get to enjoy me freaking out. Thank you so much, Danica. Very generous. So where was I? At least I have an unlimited crossbow. It's a bow gun, but I like to call it crossbow. I don't know what the difference is. Where are you, Jack? I need you to tell me what the difference is.
I think we can squeeze under this. Give me a hand, Moira. Go!
Oh, you can switch characters. I almost forgot. Hey, da 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 da. Oh, how do I get? Oh yeah, that's right. How are you, Dada? Now I push.
Careful. Stand back.
Something stir. What do I do? Just with a knife on. Just staring at chat. Do you think we'll see Revelations 3? I don't know. I really don't know.
What the fuck?
That was close.
I really don't know. I wish we'd see an outbreak again. I wish we could see another outbreak. Alright, let's go.
Holy shit!
It's okay. Yeah, he is gonna
Come
kill
on,
her, so there's
hurry.
no rush. You're hungover, Dada. Oh, you. You drink too much, Dada. You have a problem. You have a problem, Dada. Drinking is not good for you, man. Herbage! So, how do I heal? You just hold R2. Ah, deodorant. One way to fix that is more beer, Dada. His eye is twitching. I try to conserve as much as ammo as possible. You don't drink enough. That is a problem. There she is. Gina!
Gina.
Adult eyes. Oh, God.
Did you know her?
Yeah. She's with Terra
Sweet,
Safe.
sweet herbage.
Why would anyone do this?
So, which way? There's a door here.
Out there.
But
This
it's
must be
locked.
the way out.
Okay.
Then we need to find a way through.
What kind of whack job would...
Here.
Always steady. Okay.
Almost got it.
Well, that blows.
You see, somebody's doing this on purpose. Recover the key. Locked. No ammo. This one has. What about the typewriter? It's empty. I don't know. I like that you can aim and walk. I love that. I hear something. Hey, Punisher, welcome. Nice to see you. There's nobody here, so I heard nothing. Oh, wow. Very strong glass. Ruby and Sapphire. Jump down.
All right, we made it. Key's over there.
Ugh, this place reeks. Shit, what's that sound?
That sound is them coming in.
Watch out! Forget about it! Run!
Uh-oh.
Run, Moira!
Uh-oh. Oh, here, I keep missing. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. It's a slow gun. Boing. She's really good at taking care of herself. So, can I go through here? Oh, it's locked. Okay. What about this door? This is the way I came from. Or not? No, it's not. I could have easily run away, but anyway. So yeah, I may look like a noob playing this game. It's because I am. I only finished this game once and it was ages ago, so.
When is this going?
And that's how I like my games. When you
Let's
forget the
double
game
back
and you
and
get
try
to
the key.
almost you get to experience the whole thing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shut up, you. Are you gonna come back up? No. It's a slow gun, it's a slow reload, but it's fine. It's free ammo, I don't care. Oh, hello. It's coming. Let's just get ready. It takes 2 arrows, I notice. It takes 2 arrows. So that's good. 2 arrows is fine. They flinch for a little bit. You see? Reload. And boy. There we go. And I'm saving a lot of ammo this way. And all the rooms are open now, I noticed. That's good. The music hasn't stopped, so... Uh-oh! 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 I'm gonna be in trouble if there's more than one. I mean, I'll just dodge around, but it's gonna be a chore. Anybody else in here? Oh, there he is! Boing. Oh wow, at close distance apparently it does a lot of damage. But the music still hasn't stopped. Anything else in here? Straight to the rooms. Let's go. And now, go up there. You can never be too safe.
You need a gun too, Moira.
No, I really,
Should I
really
heal?
don't. Sorry, I don't do firearms. Not after what happened.
Shit, I'm sorry.
I think I should.
I forgot. Maybe we can find you something else.
No, I'll just be on
Flashlight
flashlight duty or
duty.
something. It's fine.
So what I need to do is just do these.
I think there's something shiny there.
How do I
but
switch?
I can't make it out.
Let me hit
I
it
did
with
focus
the
the light,
flashlight.
come on. There's more stuff that I need to focus on. Maybe I have to pick them up?
Nice. Blunt weapon. I can do blunt
All right.
weapons.
Do you want to open? No? It's Natalia.
Claire, you saw that, right?
Yeah, I saw
Shotgun ammo. So let's hand over some stuff. Machine pistol ammo for machine pistols. I don't know what that does, but pass. Maybe it reloads my Chicago typewriter. Yes, nice. You can't aim at them because he's very low. Let me try the other guy. There's nobody here. Oh, hello. Anybody here? Yes, there's a guy. Hello. I cannot aim because they're all low. Oh, there's a big guy over there. I can hit you. I can't. That's fine.
Who the fuck is quoting poetry?
Are you afraid? You can tell me. Talk to me.
What are you talking about?
Those bracelets change color in response to fear.
And who exactly are you?
So much suffering. You don't even know what to be afraid of yet.
Is she talking to us or at us?
Doesn't make a difference, Moira.
That looks comfy.
Yeah, let's take one home.
Look at this machine. There's something stuck in it.
Oh, so it's a book. Kafka's an author. What? I thought it was made up. I had no idea. Interesting. Upgrade. I can upgrade. Oh, that's how it's done. Okay. Okay, so you need to find the parts or something. What I'm gonna do is... Can I combine stuff? Is that the word combine? No, it's confirm. Combine. It doesn't work. Alright, so... Alcohol, combine, no combine button either. That's so stupid. I don't get it. There's nothing in this room. There's a ladder. Let's go up. Locked from the other side. It's locked from the other side.
Moira, I'll give you a
come on.
boost. See if you can climb up.
Okay.
Oh man, I hate these. see so much. Alright.
I can't do this alone. Claire, this way! Maybe once we're outside, we can find someone to help us.
This is a good Resident Evil game in my opinion.
I just want to get out of here.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Hey, V4, hello. This is the best Aria of all. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say this is the best, in my opinion, of course. In my stupid opinion. But it's a good Resident Evil. It is a good one. A GG. It is a GG. There we go. Okay, the bow gun is very slow, it takes a while to reload, but I mean if I use it wisely, I should be okay. I'm not gonna have the bow gun in with Barry. That's gonna be something. I was gonna play the first Aria Revelations because I never finished that one. I know what's down there, but I'm gonna check up here first. Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, my friend. So I was gonna play the first Aria Revelations because I never finished it, as I was saying, before I get distracted again. But I figured I'll wait for the PS4 version now. Might as well. Hey, Stephanie! Welcome. Nice to see you. Yes. Yeah, the outfits are amazing, aren't they? I had to unlock those. Let me just give that to Claire. You pass them with the triangle, and we're done. Am I gonna get lost? I think so. Yeah, it's the same route. Oh man, can I take him out? Okay, so there's the big guy. Why not? Let's do this. Ouch! I don't want to take him out. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Hey, I took the big guy out. I'm gonna take the smaller guy for sure. There we go. And now the coast is clear. I won't have to. I don't have any on mine. Well, you can unlock them. You need to beat the game for sure. I mean, the costumes are easy to get. The hardest thing to get in this game, in my opinion, is the rocket launcher, and I really tried to get the rocket launcher. You have to finish all 4 chapters. 4 chapters in 3 hours. Rusty key. Yeah, I have to finish the game in 3 hours to get the... Ooh, an alcohol bottle. No, I have to finish the game in 3 hours to get the rocket launcher, and that's impossible. But the costume I think you can get with the coins and the points and the stuff and this and that. Key! What did I get? The rusty key, so I know where to go with the rusty key. I also got the classic Barry outfit as well. When we see Barry, I'm gonna recognize the outfit from RE1. And that's how I got the thing as well. The crossbow. It's infinite.
Bugs! Of course there had to be bugs.
Oh man, this is not easy. Oh, it is actually. It is actually. Oh, with a knife, with a knife, with a knife. Where are they? Are there any more? There's one over there. Oh yeah. Any more? Hello, another bug. Don't hide. Don't be hide. Where are they coming from? Hey, Toby! How are you, Toby? How are you, okay, man? Alright, so up we go. Up I go. Alright, whatever. I hope she's gonna be okay. There's a bunch of stuff from the other side. Resuming power.
What? Are you kidding me?
Uh-oh. Claire? Yeah. Not here? Sorry for my cough. Where is he? Where'd he go? Did he just vanish? Where are you streaming as well? I never caught one of your streams. Dang it. What were you playing, Toby? There's no point to this room. It was Digimon. I really wanted to give that game a chance, but I really wanted to give Digimon a chance, I mean, but
Are you okay?
man.
Yeah, that was almost a clear sandwich.
Does Barry tell everyone that story?
Well, at least we've got power.
Hold on a sec.
That
Those
should
on the
help.
floor, what are those? As I was saying, I really wanted to give Digimon a try, but it's really not my thing. I love Pokemon, but not Digimon. I was here a second ago. I was sure that there wasn't an alcohol bottle there. Hello, come in, entry please, entry. Ah, there we go. I'm saving so much ammo. Uh-oh. Stay down, sucker. Yeah, every game is not for everyone. I mean, that's the business of the gaming industry. Hold on a sec. I activated the... Alright, yeah. That's the business of gaming, I guess. Well, everything, movies, really. Nothing is for everyone, but you have to hit the mainstream, basically, the mainstream interest. So this is okay. There we go. Gear cog. And now we are done. You guys want to guess what's next? What's gonna happen now? Oh, there he is. That's the second. Oh, nice dodge. Boing. This is where I need to be. You know, for a very rusty place, the cogs really are shiny. What I need to do is turn this around real fast. No, 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 help me, help me. Alright, and then power this thing on. What? There we go. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay, Moira. We're gonna be okay, Moira. I'm telling you. Big guy made it through. Both of them made it through. Both good guys. How are you, Moira? Are you injured? No, you're fine. Now, we can just enjoy... Well, actually, we don't have to kill them because... You know, even Pokemon Sun and Moon, I think, was really dialogue heavy. Man, if I want to read, I'll read the book, not the game. Come on, man. How are things here? Okay, that fire is protecting me. Let's go. Okay, Claire's in trouble. Come on, Claire, you have an infinite bow. She's fine though. What? What? How did you get in? Now she's here. Let's go.
Well, fuck that place very much. Where do you think we are?
Said the poor lost soul as she lamented her fate.
Ugh! Again with these stupid bracelets.
Who are you? I want answers.
I am the Overseer. Fear requires an audience and a conductor.
Overseer.
You must go to the Vosek, where life begins.
What do you want from us?
Nice. Real nice.
I think Pokemon Sun and Moon was really heavy on dialogue. But again, that's just me. I think I actually got tired reading. But again, I mean, if you're streaming a game, you have to read the dialogue, so, you know, to make the stream interesting, I guess. So I'm getting tired reading.
Claire, look! Over there!
Where?
A radio tower. Maybe we can send an SOS.
This thing. Let's see. There's no reason for me to collect these points, actually, when you think about it, because I unlocked everything, the skill points. I don't know about these. McKnight, you got 41 points. I don't know how many I have, actually. Let me check. You reminded me. $55.
See? You can do it. I got you.
Fuck you, Hollywood. That wasn't even close to easy.
Listen, Moira, I'm really sorry. I don't know what I got you mixed up in. Mary'll never forgive me.
This isn't your fault.
It's not Claire's fault. What are you saying, Claire?
Also,
Claire has nothing to do with this. Look at that. Look at that view.
Bitches and moans and
Look at that view. Let's enjoy the
about
sunset together, you and me. Take it all in. Take it all in. Now I'm gonna shoot an arrow into the water. Let's go. Actually, I think I'm gonna make a wallpaper out of it. Hold on. I think it's a good wallpaper. Hold on. Can I remove the gun from my hand? I don't think I can. Maybe like this. Make a nice wallpaper. I don't know. Oh well. Oh yeah, it's true. You're right, Jazzy. You are right. You know your Resident Evils. It's true. Yeah, I think you're right. It was Claire that got her involved with TerraSave in the first place. It's true. You're right. You are very right. And I call myself a Resident Evil fan. Oh, there we go. I was hoping we'll find one of these. So I'm gonna replace the Magnum because it's empty. Switch with my shotgun. Now I have a shotgun. Can I upgrade it? Hold on a second. I don't think I do have anything else, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to reload it. But still gonna stick with the bowgun. I want to conserve ammo as much as I can.
So?
No, it's dead. You stay here. I'm gonna go check it out. Right. This better work.
Fuck! Is anyone picking this up? My name is Moira Burton. My coworkers and I were taken here against our will. I don't know where. We have these fucked up bracelets, and this crazy woman is talking to us. Some kind of monsters have killed the others. Please, send help! Please! Shit! Oh, one more time. My name is Moira Burton.
Oh, God. What is this place?
There we go. GG. We finished half a chapter. I don't need. Next.
I'm here, baby. Please be alive.
She reminds me of Evelyn from RE7.
Now you stay by the boat, little lady. I mean it. I've got some grown-up stuff to attend to, but I'll come back for you later, okay?
You can't just leave me.
No. No. It's too dangerous for you to come along.
I'm not gonna be any safer here.
Is there a little girl on this planet that will listen to me? All right, stay close. You're with me now. Come on.
Alright, so, did you guys notice that he's voiced by the same guy that voices him in the RE1? With that. So, what weapons do I have? These! That's not saying much. Oh, I still have the crossbow. Okay. Oh, nice. I still have the crossbow. Okay. I thought the crossbow was only for Claire. That's good. How do I have two magnums? Magnum Python? Which is the better one? Which is the better one? Okay, I can look at the stats actually. Duh. Firing rate 150. So this one's better. Firepower 1100. This guy. Okay, this is definitely better. So I'm gonna remove this one. Switch. There we go. I know, game, I know. But now at least I have... I keep saying crossbow. It's a bow gun. So I'll conserve as much as ammo as I can.
Radio tower. That's gotta be it. What are you doing all alone? Where are your parents?
I don't have any parents.
She was an immaculate conception, apparently.
I don't know why I'm here.
Does this game have rocket launcher? Yes. If you beat the game in 3 hours,
just like she got my
you got the rocket
baby.
launcher, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
You're not scared of me?
No. You're alright.
Watch out!
A monster!
So what's your name, sweetie?
Natalia.
Wow, what a pretty name. My name's Barry.
Barry?
That's right, don't wear it out.
I won't.
What does it mean when they say don't wear it out? Like, that's my name, don't wear it out. What does it mean? I have no idea. That's fine, Jazzy, don't worry about it. Your grammar is fine.
Looks like this is the only way through.
I don't know what it means. Like when they say don't wear it out, that's my name, don't wear it out. It's like don't overuse it. Sweet herbage! Let's see if I can combine then. Oh, yeah. You get 3 uses though. That's how it is now, these days.
The monsters.
Monsters? Must be the infected the brief mentioned.
This is helping me conserve ammo, this gun. For now, at least for now. But I don't know how tougher the enemies are gonna get later, I don't know. But it's good that I haven't shot a single bullet yet.
Over there. Another one.
How do you know?
I can just sort of see them. There's something ahead. Be careful.
No, you don't, young lady. It's too dangerous.
Why? I'm not scared. There's something ahead.
Can I switch?
Be careful.
Come on, let me switch.
You just let me handle this one.
Alright, you're gonna let me switch now. Okay. If I aim at the head, they die right away. That's nice to know. Huh. Did you see the way the arrow hit his face? That's stupid. You stupid monster. Oh, come on. This guy's not dead. He's gonna get up. Oh, what the heck? Oh, you got it, man. Here it comes. In your face. Well, still want more? Okay, that's enough. Hey, Flare Wolf! And Vladimir, welcome. Welcome, everybody. So, you ask a very good question, Flare. No, I'm actually playing this on the PlayStation right now. So, can I get up? I wanted to download it on the PC.
Can you make it?
I downloaded it twice, and it wouldn't install properly. I don't know why. PC Master Race. My butt. It wouldn't install. I don't know why. So here I'm playing it on the PS3. I have it on the PS4 as well, and on the PS4 the disc wouldn't load. Something's wrong with the CD. It says it's... well, CD, Blu-ray. It says that the disc might be damaged or something. I don't know.
There's a hole here.
So here I am playing it on the PS3. What can you do? This guy wants to attack.
The monster's coming!
Can I push? No. No way. No way.
Okay,
Why'd you go this
all
way?
Clear.
You fool.
You're braver than
It's
me.
this way. Is she coming? Yeah. Uh-oh, I hear something. Uh-oh, hello. Hello, sir. These guys take 4 hits with the arrow. Oh, nose. I need to switch this off first.
Cute toy, but I better find some way to stop it.
No, I don't want to try a different gun. This gun is awesome. It has unlimited ammo. It's helping me conserve ammo. That's why I'm using this. It's slow. Yes, I know. But no, I'm gonna keep using this gun because it's helping me conserve ammo. I want to make the most of the fact that I have... Oh, come on. Seriously, game?
Is this a control room?
Careful! There's
It's already
something on
gone,
the floor.
Natalia. It's already gone. What the heck? Another one? Still not dead yet. Why don't you... You don't have any of the other extra weapons? No, I don't. Well, I have the... What's the other weapon that I have? The Chicago typewriter. It's a good gun, but it drains the ammo instantly, so... That's not good. I'm gonna leave it for now. Stay back, sucker. I love this game. I haven't played this game in years. Oh, did you see that headshot? Did you see that? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? They triggered each other. Did you see that? How cute.
Well, that's normal.
Oh, wow. I didn't see that guy over there.
How'd I do?
You're like a boss.
You did great.
What did we do?
We could probably get out this way if the path was clear.
What the heck? One from the back? A little poem for you. A little rhyme. Your monsters are too fast for my taste. Let's go. Here they come. Which one do I prefer? Interesting. I think I prefer Barry's campaign, to be honest with you. It's more relaxing, I think. Personally. Oh, he's coming. Come on, seriously, dude. Come on, man. Stop hiding. Oh, yeah. So we're good, yeah? Anything I can pick up from here? Anything? Oh, there's a chest, which we probably can open for nothing, because... There's nothing of interest. Yeah, there's ammo, actually. Let me just reload the guns real quick. This is empty. Wah, wah, wah. So, hold on. What is this? Odorous chemical. Alright, let's go. The fire's still burning here, though. I don't get it. What am I supposed to do? I don't know where I'm supposed to go. But fire is gonna fry me. I haven't been here, but... No, nothing here. Why did I climb up here? It's very strange. Uh-oh, don't die! No! No, am I gonna have to do this again? Come on! Come on! I just wanted to check the control panel. I was gonna attempt to cross. Okay, game, I get it. Ah. Alright, it's not that bad. It's from here. had to be someone on the floor. Alright, so. Why did the fire not stop? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Does anybody know? Oh, there we go. There we go. Looks like Flair knows. Look at the mouse is guiding me. I kill the mouse. I kill you.
We could probably get out this way if the path was clear.
I did it!
You sure did, honey.
Let's go. We did it. GG.
This place is seriously messed up. We're almost to the radio tower. You recognize any of this?
No. Sorry.
It's all right.
I love the creatures that you find outside here. They're complicated to kill, but
Almost there. Still with me?
they're complicated to kill, but they're awesome.
Yeah, I have strong
And they're
legs.
terrifying as well.
Barry, it's locked. What do I do?
You need to break the lock. See anything around there you can use? Good work, sweetie. You stick close to me, okay?
Okay.
Whoa, did you see that? How it flashed? Oh, I love this part, but it's so scary.
Shh. There's something out there.
These creatures are terrifying, and they're hard to kill.
Shh. Stay back. Where'd it go?
Hey. What's that?
What's wrong?
think I saw something.
I have to try again. That's what it is. I have to do it again. Look.
Damn it. Straight back there, Tony.
Please be careful.
You're doing good!
Oh, I used it twice. Nice. Just trying to guess where it is. Alright, let's do this. Let's try. Let's try to kill this creature. Where is it? What? There's two of them? Alright, let's see. Oh, it's on the foot. Alright, it's on the foot. There we go. There. Ouch, 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 ouch. There we go. There we go, GG.
Well, that's one thing they left out of the brief. This island is completely crazy.
I was gonna see if I could avoid it, but no, I have to kill it.
What was that thing?
I don't know, honey. Let's keep our eyes peeled in case there's more.
This area is fantastic in the forest, and it's so good. Whoa, run, 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 run. We don't need to deal with these guys. No, we don't need to deal with these guys. Run, 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 run. It's okay, we're gonna be okay! Oh my goodness, come on. Really? Oh, I can run. I forgot I can run. There we go. There we go. Run, buddy. It's in his head, alright. There's two of them actually. I don't know which one's. Okay, that's not that guy's head for sure. Come on. Need to check where the other one, where his other weak point is. It's on the foot. Here. There we go. That took a while. Alright, let's go. How are we doing health-wise? Both of us are fine. No way! It came back the way it came from? Ah! Another one! That's not the foot. Come on, show me where. Ah, it's the knee. It's the thigh, actually. Come on! Did I die? No. Alright, try again. These guys are tough. I could have made a run for it if I observed the map.
Finally, a clearing. Those freaks had some of the same symptoms as Ouroboros.
Robo?
Robo.
It's a virus some bad people used in Africa
What's
a
inside
couple
there?
of years
Hold
ago.
on.
Question is, how did it get out here?
Really? Game, you're not gonna let me? Alright, no problem. The game is not going to let me aim on them. Or, what I can do, I can try. Let me see if I can aim from up here. No, it just won't let you. It's amazing. I can see him, but will not let me aim on him. That's fine. That's fine, game. Well played. Show me where the weak spot it is.
Hide.
One of them is on his head. And the other guy is on his head as well. I know it's risky, but I want to do it. Hold on, where's the head? I can't even see a shape of a head. I can't even. That's one down. Now, the other guy, I cannot determine. It's not the head, it's like the arm? Alright, the thing he's raising up there. Let's see. There it is. Come get it, sucker. Come get it, sucker. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Whew. It's not bad. I'd have used the firebomb, but I don't. I know, but... Where's the fun in that? look around because I don't know where I need to go. Okay. It was in the right place all along. I'm not sure. Come on, game. The heck? Where do I go? Whatever.
Now we're talking.
I hate this part. I remember it.
The radio tower's just ahead.
No, he saw me. It's the head. Shoot the head, shoot the head. There we go, like that. And again. There we go. Okay, Jazzy, no problem. No worries. What kind of salad? If I may ask. There should be another one in here, huh? There probably was in the other room, but I left the door closed, that's good. Whew. Was there another one, Natalia? Show us. Yeah, you see? It's still locked in the room, though. Whew. That one was optional. No power.
Damn it. Where's a power source?
We need the power source. So the cable is moving this way. It's going that way. Over the fence, so... How am I gonna get over there? I think I need to check this. It's okay.
Great.
I understand a bit of Spanish, so...
We're gonna have to smash through the gate.
You see, that's what's going on. Alright, they're on the foot, they're on the legs. Alright, they're on the foot, the legs, the feet, the legs. There we go.
Over there.
Okay, if you get close...
Break out the
Well,
bitter notch.
we use the knife. That's one. That's two. Okay, almost done. Where's the other one? Both on the legs. Okay, should have been the leg, should have been the leg. Oh, oh. No, 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 no. There we go. And now, for dessert. GG. Oh, another one! In the feet, in the feet. You know what? Knife all the way. So the power source is over there. We're okay, yes? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna check how many healing do I have. Only one? I need to find more healing, huh? Gonna use this and run out. Oh crap, this guy! Natalia, run and show me the way! Oh, the head, it's the head. Uh-oh. There we go, 1 and 2. We're good. Where's the power for this thing? Come on, man. Ah, herbage. Yes, please. Kaboom. Generator. I'm probably gonna make a lot of noise.
There, that should get the crane working.
Now I need to remember not to open the doors. Just go through the ones that are already open. So there's one inside, you see? Pepper, cucumber, and lettuce with vinegar. Ah, alright. Nice. I like that. Switching it on. Now it's gonna make noise, I think. Let's go.
Ha! Who's the master of unlocking now, huh? Come on, hurry.
Okay.
And they're
You
gone.
all right?
Fine.
Well, that was a really long way around. That's her. That's my baby.
Any luck in there, Moira? No.
can say that again. This was logged 6 months ago. Jesus, Moira.
Your daughter's name is... Moira?
Yeah. Why? Hey, kid. You okay?
Moira. She's dead.
What?
All right. GG.
Previously on Revelations 2.
Claire Redfield, you're coming with us.
Where have I been taken?
So much suffering. You don't even know what to be afraid of yet.
Who are you?
I am the Overseer.
Please, send help!
I'm here, baby. Please be alive.
I don't have any parents. Over there.
How do you know? Well, that's one thing they're left out of the brief.
Jesus, is anyone even out there?
Your daughter's name is... Moira?
Yeah.
She's dead.
What?
Mother of balls! My life is awesome!
Just like KG2, man! Fun shit!
Go on without me! We'll regroup later! You heard him, Gabe! Go!
You stay the hell alive, Fisher! Yo, Fernandez. Check it.
Is this the place? The Vasid? Whatever?
Yeah. Where life begins. That Thompson's?
Yeah. I'll be examining this. Oh, balls! Gabe!
Gabe?
Redfield. You're alive.
All right, get up.
God! You owe me a pair of underpants!
Come on in.
Newbie's okay too.
Oh, I knew it was you guys. Any requests?
Okay. Okay. Let's do this.
We woke up in the middle of the woods. How about you?
Some kind of rundown prison. Gabe. Gina's dead.
I don't even know I'm picking these up, really.
Yeah, but I remember to take his bracelet. Eddie would want me to find out how it ticks.
You chopped off his fucking hand?
Sometimes you have to make the hard choice. Come on, let's see what's in this building.
Welcome to the brink of true fear.
Yeah, it's true. It feels like this was inspired by The
What
Last
do you
of Us, in
want?
fact. There's nothing wrong with that, but they didn't need to do that.
And see who sticks and who doesn't. The wall, in this case, is a special virus that I injected into each of you.
You what?
We will all die. There's no question of that. But one of you still has a chance of dying well.
I'm no lab rat. She can stick it right up her all-seeing ass.
But if we've been infected with something...
That bitch stuck a needle in me?
Just put it out of your head. Redfield, walk with me. Come on.
Let's go. Do I need to switch this on or something? Hold on. No, I need to come back to this for sure, though.
I gotta
Yeah,
show
you're
you
gonna show me a
something
broken
over here.
helicopter. Let's go.
Man, I hope Fisher's okay.
Neil? Neil was with you?
Yeah. We got split up on the way here.
Do you think you can fly this?
Once I repair it, there's not enough voltage. It needs a new battery, some fuel.
Oh, and we're gonna find exactly what we need in this shit dump.
From my experience, yes. Help me look.
Am I not gonna be able to open this? Seriously? Really? Okay, whatever.
Could use your help.
Ah, so close. Boo. Yeah, this game is kind of scary, but, I mean, it doesn't scare me anymore now.
Claire? I guess we're not alone out here. Pedro!
Don't scare me like that, Claire. Look, check out what I found. If you see any weak walls, I bet I could drill through.
I think you can unlock this gun as well. That would be nice.
See if there's anything we can use inside.
Could use your help.
Okay.
You think Pedro can get through with that drill of his?
Only one way to find out. We could use that drill of yours right now, if you don't mind doing a little demolishing.
No problema. Just point me in the right direction.
Where is he? Come on, this way. Are you kidding me, buddy? Come on, this way.
Is this the place? Okay, stand back.
Uh-oh. They're back.
What? We gotta hold them off. Don't let them near me.
Oh, come on, man. Whoa. Okay, you're a big guy, man.
Now!
Oh, nice. GG, guys. Good.
We're in.
Thank you.
Am I full? Really? Alright, let's reorganize ourselves real quick. Whoa! Ah, nice try. An ambush. that was nice.
We got the fuel. Now to find that battery.
I managed to trace the base of transmissions. They're coming from the north. Someplace high up, if I had to guess. Because we're getting full bars.
Yeah, no interference. Nice work, Pedro. Her location might be the key to getting off the island.
Claire, the lights are on in that one house.
Oh, hello. Ah, I'm full again. It's more correct sin problema than no problema. Yeah, I know, right? I noticed that. I'm not a pro in Spanish, but I did notice that. There has to be more up there then. Hello. Can I hold him back? There we go. All right. Battery. Oh, I'm full again. I need to do something about this. We're good. Let's go back.
That's everything.
Let's bring it back to Gabe.
Wrong way, huh? Definitely the wrong way.
That should be everything you need.
Good work, Redfield. Not that I'm surprised. Now it's my turn to work some magic. Greasy, chopper repairing, voodoo magic.
You have got to be kidding me.
They
It's
want
the
more.
overseer.
We
She's
give them
luring
more.
those things right toward us.
What do we do?
This is the big guy.
All right, we'll take care of it. It's coming from the bar. Please get that thing fixed.
There is no shaking off the self, only consuming the self.
Let's turn off the alarm.
Then the switch could be inside. Let's check it out.
Wolves! It's surrounded! There's nowhere to
Are
run!
we okay?
It's all over!
Calm down, Pedro.
What's wrong with my bracelet? Why did it change color? Ah! They're coming through the window!
Then fight back and stop them.
We're all gonna die! I don't know what to do!
Step one, fucking chill out.
Madre de Dios! Help me! They've got us outnumbered! They've got us trapped!
They were all coming for me. Why me, man?
Safe, right? Chase them away?
Hold on!
Fear triggers the virus.
Come on! Ah, crap! Haha, right in the butthole.
Pedro?
See how his bracelet changes to the color of fear.
There! I've got you!
It means he's not the one.
Boss fight. Wow. That's something.
Run, Moira! Run!
No! 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 Oh my god. Man, I should switch too. Ah, wow. Okay. Try again. I should probably switch to a weapon now. No, I'm gonna switch weapons now.
There's no effing way we're gonna beat that thing! Run, Moira! Run!
Oh man. Empty already? Okay. Poor Pedro.
Claire!
Pobre Pedro.
Moira, this way! Hurry!
Follow me!
Follow you, I guess. Oh, come on.
I'll go around the back and open the door. Hang tight. It's unlocked. Go!
Bullet hole?
Hope so.
Wait, Neil. What about Gabe?
I know, but I can't risk staying here. Look, don't worry. He's ex-military. The man eats danger for breakfast and craps it out by dinner.
How is it that I ran out of ammo? Out of ammo. Out of ammo. Wow. So what kind of ammo do I have? Okay, so the handgun ammo is for nothing because I don't use this.
Through here! Give me a hand! Ready? Lift! 2.
Hurry!
No.
You know, I'm glad you're okay. Gabe said you guys got split up.
Yeah, but I run fast. Gym membership. So, what was that monster back there?
It was Pedro. The Overseer gave us all some kind of viral injection. The virus triggered in Pedro when he got too scared.
I think I've heard of that. A virus that responds to fear. Jesus. We're supposed to be protecting people from viruses, not catching them.
Irony sure is a dick.
Moira, I don't think you actually met Neil. He's our boss.
Neil Fisher. You're Barry Burton, right? Your dad's in the BSAA?
Do me a favor, and don't put Barry and me in the same sentence, sir.
Pedro said the signal came from high up. That's gotta be it.
That tower thing.
The Overseer might be inside. I say we go find out.
Bad idea. We should wait for dawn.
By dawn, we might all end up like Pedro. The clock's ticking, Neil.
Oh, no, 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 no!
Alright, one hit. Good. I can't hit him. You're too fast, man. There we go. There's another one. Why didn't you shoot him?
Uh-oh. They're back.
They must be the island's residents. Why the hell would the Overseer turn a whole island into whatever? Assuming
they're not dying. This guy's not dying. Ah, never mind. Never mind that right now.
Hurry up!
Neil! Come on!
I promise I'll catch up. Just get to that tower.
That reloading time though, I know, right?
Come on, you freaks!
But you know, it's making it... It's making it challenging and I like a good challenge. Ah, crap, the reloading time. That's fine. I like a good challenge, that's fine. I need to make some of these cocktail thingies. Combine with what? With this. Alright, decoy. I'm gonna give these to Moira.
Could use your help.
No, so close. Vodka and orange juice are not a cocktail, huh? It's just a mixer. It's not a cocktail. Tequila Sunrise is a cocktail. Stay down. Ooh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. We're being attacked by more than one person, I think. How do you use how do I set these up? I don't know. Going to there, see you in another video. Okay, take care, Jazzy, no problem. Take care. See ya. Bye bye. Thank you for hanging out. Ooh, I need this. Where did this guy come from?
They're here. Be careful.
Let's start from... You know what, Moira, first of all you need to equip the things. I hope you use them. Let's go. GG, you see that? It's true, it's just a crossbow, but it works. It gets things done. And we're picking up a lot of machine pistol ammo now. I'm happy. Let me just reload my Chicago typewriter. Not that I'll be using it, but for now. Oh, hello, doggy. I was like, is he dead? And then he got up. They actually look more like pigs than dogs, but anyway. She threw a brick or something, did she?
Yeah, we saw her in the prison.
She has a bracelet.
You think she's part of the experiment?
If the Overseer is trying to... That girl.
Yeah, we saw her in the prison.
She has a bracelet.
You think she's part of the experiment?
If the Overseer is trying to scare little kids too, then that is seriously messed up.
Wait a minute, is this the door I came from? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Oh, wait, or not. Is it? This is the way I came from, is it? Yes, it is. No, that's how you waste time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 run! Ah, man, she took forever to turn around. There's a big one. Or did you have to make a run for it? Nice. Hey, Levy, welcome. Hello. Hello. Today I'm abusing the power of infinite ammo. Well, not exactly infinite ammo. Well, yes, but just this guy. Just the crossbow. Alright, open. Okay, we're good. This is where I came from. Wait a sec.
It doesn't stay open long. We're gonna have to be quick to get through.
Alright. I just noticed, like, what? What the heck? Why did you follow me here? What's going on? How can I make her stay? Amazing way to end that 90s songs. Levy. You like that, huh? Alright, so I don't know how to make someone stay. How do I make her stay? No, you stay there. 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 Oh crap!
I can't do this alone.
What am I gonna do? Oh yeah, that's right. Hold on. What the heck? Come on. Where'd the guy go? Bloater. Where'd he go? Oh. There he is. Hello, sucker. No, 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 no. I got cornered because of stupid... No, wait. She's still here. Why didn't she fall and hole? Where is she? Alright, now. Where do I go from here? This is where I was supposed to go. I fell in the hole. I'll make funny noise. Whoa! Whoa! How are you doing, man? Just gonna hang out on the floor. Okay. Let me see if I can upgrade my gun. My shotgun. Capacity. Nice. It's the one thing that's lacking on... Capacity. Firing rate. Focus. So now it has a capacity of 3. Wow. Okay, I guess. No, it doesn't work here? Okay. Let's go.
Where'd she run off to?
Was there really nothing in this room? Oh, I can't believe this. Light in your face. Light in your face. Locked. I've been here. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. You're so predictable, game.
Hey, wait!
She's always taking care of kids, Claire. First cherry, now this.
Wait! It's okay. Don't be scared. What's your name? Where are you from? Did that lady put you here? Where are you?
Whoa, down, Claire. Let me talk to her. You must be so scared. I know I am. My name's Moira. See? We're like sisters. Everything's okay now. What's your friend's name?
Maddie.
You're both so brave.
You're pretty good with kids.
Yes, I agree, Levy.
Come
And
on.
I mean, it's not bad ideas, not bad inspirations, but come on, Resident Evil had its own thing. They didn't need to do that. It makes it look like it's a ripoff, you know, and it didn't have to do that.
From the monsters
That's
all by
just
yourself?
my opinion. My opinion.
You're a brave girl, but this will all be over soon.
Listen, there's a bad lady in the tower out there. Once we take her out, we can all leave the island together. Moira, did you hear that?
Yep, that was a fart.
Yeah, another one of those walking shit stains. Sorry, I mean butt stains. And you know what we do to butt stains.
I'm conserving as much ammo as I can. That's what I'm doing. How am I doing with inventory item slots? Ugh, I hate this part. It's very chaotic. And this is all in Russian, look at this.
There's something down there.
They must be somewhere in Russia, I think. There's a bunch of people there. Oh, I can't switch to... I was gonna try to switch to Natalia for a second, I forgot. Oh man, this is gonna be chaotic here.
Oh, shit! Don't move until we give you the signal.
Okay.
It's true, exactly, Levy. That's exactly what happens. Alright. Come get it. There we go. That's what happens, yes. The game already has an identity of its own, and because they take inspiration, suggestions, critics, and stuff from others, that's what happens. It like has an identity crisis. That's what happened with Resident Evil 4 as well. That's what happened with Resident Evil 4. I'm gonna try to get rid of this guy. Come on, sucker. Did I get him? He's coming. Ha! I got him. He's coming back. Man, I don't like this boss. I'm gonna try to see if I can.
Look out! This one's different! I can see that!
That's enough. See, I don't have a healing. That's not good. Switch. Oh, seriously?
I think we're clear.
There's an herbage over there I would like to take.
Let's go get the girl.
And machine pistol ammo. Ah, sweet herbage. Sweet, sweet herbage. We're done here, yes?
We can't forget about the girl.
Let's go back to Natalia. Natalia!
It's safe now. Can you find your way over?
It's open.
Wow, what service?
really cute bear. Is he your friend?
Lottie's a she. A nice man gave her to me.
What nice man?
The Terra Saver guy. He saved me when I was little.
I wonder if anyone from TerraSafe didn't get caught.
This game is fantastic. The only thing that I would complain about is the loading times. It takes quite a while.
Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Oversee this, bitch! We are off this motherfucking island!
Oh, my dear little Gregor. That's cheating.
God damn it, come on!
Abe. Abe, get out of there!
My escape is death, but not this one. Shame about your friend, but you're tougher than he is. You're not gonna snap, are you?
Claire? We lost the girl.
Okay, GG. Everything A, nice. I'm never gonna finish this in less than 3 hours. Never. Every helicopter pilot dies in a Resident Evil game. Let's just say Resident Evil game. I don't know about other games, but in a Resident Evil game, it's true, huh? Okay, I'm gonna do the berry one before I go. One last round. I love this game. If we ever get a Revelations 3, I have a feeling that it would be just as good. Or better. Let's go.
Moira was trying to get to that tower when I was with her.
Listen, honey. I need you to take me there. Can you do that?
Let's go.
Moira. No. I don't believe it. There's no way she's... So, did Moira drive you crazy?
No, Moira was nice.
She does have a good heart. I bet she saw a little of Polly in you. That's her sister. Where'd you get that bracelet?
I don't know. A woman used it to talk to us. I think. I'm not really sure anymore.
A woman? The overseer? I read the debrief about her little experiment.
Where's the map? I thought I had a map.
Harry, look.
Edward Thompson. He was with TerraSave. Damn it. This is why I told her not to get involved.
There's some over there.
Find some cover. I'll pick them off before they spot us.
It's the foot. Okay. Not sure which foot, but we'll see. Oops. Yep, we got it. There we go. I am so good. Vlog, if you want to finish in less than 3 hours, watch a speedrun and learn the strategy, what the guy do and don't do. Oh, yeah. I would love to get it. I think Wesker once shared a walkthrough with me as well or something, how to beat it, and I think it was Wesker. How to beat this game in a short amount of time. I really want that rocket launcher, but anyway. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
More over there.
They're all on the foot. They're all of them on the foot. I can try to do it with the knife. Let's see. I can try this. I can try this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. 1, 2. 1, 2. I forgot you can do this as well. Let's go.
Damn it. I need a key.
I don't know where to go. Key! Ha! I don't need that.
This place is crawling with them.
Really?
Be careful.
No, don't see me. This is easier. I totally forgot you could do that. From the shadows. I got a trophy. Do not turn around, do not turn around. Good boy. think we're good. I don't think there's any left.
Need your help.
Eee, so close. Yes, Kurt, I do have a PS4, but this one is on the PS3. I'm playing this on the PS3. The one on the PS4 wouldn't load the disc for some reason. Something wrong with the disc. Never buy used games. Never buy used games. And I got it as a last resort. Alright, now then. We need to find a way. I need to look for... Why you not turn around? Come on, man. Alright, let's go. Oh, come on. Kurt, I don't think you were listening to me earlier. I'm gonna say it one more time. You do not ask people to sub to you because it's considered very rude on other people's channels. I know you're not trying to be rude or anything, but it's considered very rude when you go on someone's YouTube channel and ask them to subscribe. If you do that, people will ban you for that.
Should get us through. Need your help.
I'm just saying, buddy. I'm just saying. I know you're not...
Need your help.
Once again, I'm gonna remove your comment. And that is not how you get subscribers, asking people to sub. People subscribe if you have good content. As simple as that, really. I'm gonna remove your comment because if a moderator comes in, they will kick you out. And I don't want that for you. I cannot climb. Yes, I can. Why did she not climb? Oh man, I bought this game for PC on the day one, and it was unplayable because of the lag, frame drops. So I missed the episode launch. I had to wait for... Oh, wow. That's not good. It's a great game now, isn't it, though? It's a... Ooh, so close. It's a great game. There we go. I'm gonna change position because... Ah, man. My butt is killing me. This is not a good position to sit down. I'm gonna get off the floor. I have a perfectly good couch, but I sit on the floor. There we go. It's okay, Kurt, no problem. I'm just saying, if you go on someone else's... I won't, obviously. I won't ban you or anything like that. But if you go on someone's stream and say, please subscribe to me, they will ban you instantly. Because it's considered very rude going into someone else's channel saying, subscribe to me. I will check out your channel, I will. I see what you... But that's not how you gain subs, huh? Asking for people to subscribe. That is not how it works, man. Good content will get people to subscribe. And I don't even know how to do that yet. I don't even know how to make good content. It's fine, we'll learn. So where do I go from here now? Ah, I got the key, didn't I? Okay. So now... I'm gonna sprint. What type of games do you play, Kurt?
Is that where you met Moira? Over there?
Yeah, near the big tower.
Oh, I can imagine, Levy. I can imagine. It's a great way. Look, did you see the frame drops right now? Did you see the frame drops? Frame drops. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where?
What? Where?
Frame drops keep falling on my head.
Right there. Can't you see it?
You have to play a bit with Natalia now because there we go. Because now there's gonna be invisible monsters. It's quite a nice challenge, but ugh.
My vision's getting kinda...
Barry, there's something right there.
I don't know what you're seeing, but point me at it.
It's getting closer. There, shoot!
Alright, at least it's a one-hit kill. Whew. I'm gonna switch to Natalia so I can actually keep playing this.
Invisible monsters.
I do not like
That's
gasps.
gonna be fun.
I gasped. What? What's going on? What was that? Why did I pick that up? I don't know. Ah, this is where I was with Claire as well, the Vasek. I didn't see them. I mean, I could see them. But with the grass. Alright, let's go. But at least it's a one-hit kill, so I hit once and that's it. They're lovely creatures. Oh, look! They're kind of... I can see a face. Kind of a human face, look at that. Can you see that? Look. Interesting. Interesting creatures. I'm gonna switch to Natalia. Oh, there we go. Oh, I was aiming the right place. There we go.
Somebody really trashed this place. What the hell happened?
I need magnum ammo. Let me see if I can reload my guns. Hold on. Nothing. Not sure where I need to go from here. Maybe up here? Always cut it close. Nice. What's inside? Yes! Uh-oh.
Over there.
Let's go.
I came this way once.
Moira might have been here too.
Look at the frame rate loss. Did you see that?
Here comes the rain. Are you gonna be warm enough?
I'll be alright.
So where are your mom and dad?
They died. In Terra Grigia.
You were there when the city went down? I'm sorry. None of this could have been easy. You're a tough girl.
Thanks.
It's on people like me to protect people like you from bioterrorists. We shouldn't have let you down. So where'd you go?
Terra Safe put me in a home. A facility.
I'm sorry, Natalia. I won't ask any more questions.
Good question, Kurt. Good question. I don't even like to think about that because it puts me down. I don't like to think about it. Because, you know, you can never know. You can never know how many people... You know, it's not about the subscribers, Kurt. It's never about the subscribers. I've seen people with 16,000 subscribers and then when they stream they have 5 watching. You know, and then I've seen people with 60 subscribers having 100 people watching them. So, it's not about the subscribers, really. And let's just talk about streams. Oh, I think he just saw me.
Nice of him to wait for us.
That's not the right place. That's not the right place to shoot. That is the right place to shoot. Come on. There we go, we got one. That's not the place. That's not the place either. That's not the place either, but... Ah, come on, man. It's easier with a knife, these guys. So that was just about streaming. You can also be doing YouTube videos, and just because somebody subscribes doesn't mean they're gonna watch your videos. Never. Sadly, will never be fixed on the consoles. On PC, maybe with mods. Oh yeah, that's true. That's okay, I don't mind it.
They're inside. Be careful.
What's inside? Oh yeah. Oh man, one of those again. Let me see if I can combine some stuff. I should start using some of these bottles. I wanted to play this on PC this evening, but it wouldn't install for some reason. It kept doing an error or something! What the heck, man? Come on. No. There we go. At least put them to good use. So yeah, it wouldn't install properly on my computer. I don't know why. I tried 2 times. And I'm like, you know what? Never mind. PC Master Race my butt. I prefer consoles. With consoles you never have to wonder. With consoles you never have to wonder if this game is gonna run or anything like that. And I have a gaming laptop, it should be fine. A gaming laptop from last year. I thought it was gonna get up. Did I get him? Already? Yeah, looks like it. Oh, there's a... Oh, and... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no! No! There was 2 of them! You cheap game! No, no! That's very cheap of you, game. That's it, that does it. That's the easiest way to kill these guys, I think, with a knife. What, Windows 10? I have Windows 10. When I'm streaming from my Windows, like when I did the song request, whenever my camera is on, I stream from my... This is where I came from. I'm using the MacBook whenever I'm streaming from with the face cam.
Need your help.
What the heck? Why is she climbing up there? Stupid. That's 1. And that is... No. That is... 2. And what's inside? Sweet herbage. maybe I should switch to her so that we can find the things on the floor. They're like mini bombs. Nope. Okay, actually, you know what? Okay, I can see it from here. It's the foot. It's the foot. Come on. Ah! Who was it? Who shot me in the foot? Oh, come on then. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. It's gotta be the head. Oh, come on, man! Almost. I almost got away. And now I didn't. Oh, come on, seriously. Oh, that's it.
You're doing good!
Oh, that's it. That does it. That's it. It's the first time I shot a bullet in the game. No, I mean... No, it's not the first time. I handled the boss earlier as well. Did you consider it could be a compatibility problem? Maybe try... Yeah, could be. It's the reason why. I mean, I really want to run Resident Evil 2 as well on PC, but it's not working. Apparently it doesn't work with Windows 7. With Windows 10, I mean. Ah, well. I got Windows simply so I can run OBS from it, and so I can read my capture card. Alright, so we've been here. Uh-oh. Where is it? No!
I'm on the way!
Wow! Really? Okay. This was cheap. This was a cheap way to die. For two reasons. One, obviously an invisible monster around the corners and stuff like that. That's really cheap. Two, it gave me the impression that it was game over. It looked like Natalia was dead. I'm like, why am I still controlling my character? What's going on? Game. Now what the heck? Come on! What the heck? There was nothing there! There was nothing, it didn't show anything. There was nothing, so where did it come from? Mary, do you wanna get to move on? No, there it is. Now it showed up. It wasn't there before. Come on, that was very cheap. Over there.
It's getting there! Shoot!
Need your help.
That's one. Nope. And that's two. Come on, what's inside? Parts. Oh man, useless.
This is where I met Moira.
Good. Let's pick up the pace. Need your help.
Who's there?
Keep it down.
I know where it is. Pretty much.
The
Yes, I
monster's
know.
coming!
There we go. Ah, there's one inside. Okay. I'm not so sure if there's anything here though. Not safe. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back!
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Dang it. Where do I go from here?
Wait. Well, that's one hell of a parking job.
Natalia, get back! So this is what happens to him.
Okay, what now?
Monster's coming!
Oh, I found the glitch. More or less. Okay, no, come on! Come on! That was so cheap. He went through the table and through me. No, come on, I expect him to go through the table first and then me. Ah, the good one game. Good one. Good one. That's fine.
Natalia, get back! So this is what happens to him.
Ready to go to the table now. Oh, run! Ah, I cornered myself, nice.
Monster's coming!
Oh, no! Oh, come on! My goodness. Now I'm getting angry.
Natalia, get back! So this is what happens to him.
No! Okay. Not bad. We're good.
Well, this should give us a whole lot more options.
Very. Nope. There we go. Yeah, you missed it. He said it earlier. Yeah, it's a reference to the RE1 as well. Yeah, there's a lot of references in what they say here. Even Claire. She says, "Oh, I was almost a Claire sandwich."
Me and Moira got separated here. The nice guy came and got me.
Nice guy?
The one from Terra Save who rescued me. I wonder if Moira made it to the tower.
She made it. Come on. Let's see what we can find.
I'll be examining this. It's the same guy that actually voiced Barry in the first game, this guy. I like that. I think they're somewhere in Russia, look at that.
This place has changed.
Yeah. Pretty creepy, huh?
Ugh. I don't need all the gems. I unlocked everything. I think. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I did unlock everything for both Barry and... So we're good. Very Resident Evil 7-ish. I'll take those. Those are good. It's good stuff.
scary. I can't stand her.
Who? The woman here with Wesker?
That is Wesker. Alex Wesker.
Wesker had a sex change.
2 Weskers? You gotta be shitting me.
So you finally came. I knew you would.
And that's it. Took me almost 4 hours straight to defeat 2 episodes. Look at the accuracy now. Blast figurine, whatever. From the shadows, whatever. Accuracy 75.5, retries 4. Gave me a C. Clear time. Okay. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna eat something. Then, I don't know. Maybe hang out on somebody else's stream. I'm gonna go. Thank you everyone for hanging out, for dropping by, leaving a like, saying a hello, saying a goodbye. And thank you Danica for the €5. Thank you so much. I will see. My next stream is definitely gonna be a Crash Bandicoot. Insane Trilogy for sure. That will be my next stream. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.